Alright, welcome back everyone. So in today's episode we're going to be taking a look at the crypto space and trying to get a sense of which altcoins could be a sensible time to buy into, assuming that we see a bounce back in the near future. And so I have CoinMarketCap on the screen at the moment, and we can see that the list has not changed too much in terms of 1 and 2. And so Bitcoin is number 1 with the highest market cap. As we know, we have a max supply of 21 million Bitcoins. They have not all been mined at the moment. So there's quite a high circulating supply at the moment of 18 million. You can see that there has been a sell-off in the beginning of 2022, but there's been moments where this coin has bounced back up, namely from the issues happening with the likes of Russia and Ukraine, where people are pushing their money into more stable areas such as gold and then the digital form of Bitcoin and other altcoins out there. And so with a current price of $38,000, once we see a shift with the likes of altcoins pushing up again, in terms of some of the higher values we've seen in the past is all the way in the late 60s. So right now this coin does have the opportunity to almost double the current value. The problem though is that we just don't know when we're going to see a bullish cycle with the crypto space, and so you could be waiting a while until we see the $60,000 plus. And unfortunately that does go with all of the coins that I'm mentioning out here, but we can see the next one on the list, Ethereum, another coin that's been struggling in the last few months. But if we go on the year graph here, we can see some of the higher values that we've had in the past of over $4,000. Again, another opportunity to almost double from the current values. So coins 1 and 2 always have the potential to double in terms of the market cap. For any short-term people out there, we can see in the last 7 days, we've got the likes of Kodano that's been down 17%. Looking at some of the higher values, 2.84 back in 2021. Right now we're down at 85 cents. And so some of these other altcoins out there have been pushing down even more so compared to that of say Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now scrolling down the list, we're at 75 at the moment. We've got BAT, which has been down in the last 7 days of 13%. This is a token that I actually really like. In the last day alone, it's pushed up 14%, but we can see that there's been quite a big sell-off since that of November when it peaked. We had a price of $1.76. You can see we're all the way down at 67 cents. And so for me personally, I think this is starting to become a great time to buy into. So we can see that we're basically down the levels that we were pre-November before that big push up. So it's acting as a point of resistance at the moment. I actually think that this is a great time to now buy into. But as always, with any point that I make, this is not something that you have to conform to. I'm just showcasing the decisions that I make and where I'm placing my money, but the hard-earned money that you make, always look into these different cryptos, or even if it's growth or dividend-based companies, perform your own research and be comfortable with the decision that you make in terms of investing. But I would say out of all the companies today, we've got the likes of BAT, which is more riskier than the others, but I think there's really nice potential out there. I'm going to challenge myself to record a video 4 years from now to see where this company is performing. I'm hoping it will be around $4, but we'll just have to wait and see. Let me know in the comments below what type of altcoins you enjoy purchasing. I think it goes without saying that the likes of Bitcoin and Ethereum do have the potential to double their current values. We've seen those prices before, and so it's not really a crazy statement to make. And so right now my focus is that of Bitcoin, Ethereum and BAT token. Now if you are new to the channel, then definitely hit that subscribe button. Do share this video with friends if you think this might be helpful for them. As always, new videos are posted each week, and with that said, I'll catch you in the next one.
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling way better than I should. I'm feeling better than I ever thought I could. Last night when I